Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with clips and a goal: believable motion blur. First, check frame rate and choose 2460 FPS. Lower FPS shows more native blur. Make a duplicate on a second track so you can compare before and after. Once done, open the effects panel and search for transform and directional blur. You'll need these in the next steps to control amount and orientation. Make sure to save a version so you can revert if the blur becomes too heavy. You'll now apply motion blur precisely. Add the transform effect and turn off use composition's shutter angle. This lets transform drive blur. Keyframe position or rotation where motion occurs, then apply directional blur or CC force motion blur above the transform. Link angle to the motion vector, set it to match the direction of movement. Once keyframed, ease keyframes and tweak blur length so motion reads without ghosting. Make sure to preview at full resolution for accurate results before final render. Finish by refining and rendering. Increase shutter angle or blur length for stronger smear, but reduce values if ghosting appears. Subtlety often looks better. Render the work area or use RAM preview to judge real-time motion. Once satisfied, export with maximum render quality and match source frame rate. If you see stuttering or artifacts, try optical flow for better interpolation or nudge keyframes so motion vectors align. The key troubleshooting tip: toggle optical flow versus frame sampling to identify which method removes artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.